Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Joitra Creation Designs. I am coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with an unboxing from Miss Alicia Healy. I decided to gift myself something for my birthday. My birthday was May the 18th. And I decided to purchase a pair of earrings from Alicia's shop. I will leave Alicia's information down in the description box for those of you who would like to go over and see what she has in her shop. Alicia is very, very talented. She's very, very gifted. And she does a number of things. She does jewelry, she does cards, she does a number of things. And I always tell my ladies to do more than one thing, pretty much. Do more than one thing, because that's how you keep your creativity flowing. So anyway, it came in this vanilla bubble bag or bubble wrap. And I'm gonna open it up so I can see my goodies. And this is absolutely gorgeous as always. I'm just so excited. I'm so happy too. First of all, Alicia, I want to say thank you so very much. We met here on YouTube, y'all. And I've been knowing Alicia now for almost 2 years. Like, it's been a while. I've been following Alicia. When Alicia first got started, I was following her channel because the thing about Alicia has a real bubbly, she's just really, really bubbly, and her personality is, and it's like when you be around her, you can't help but to laugh because that's what she does. She makes you laugh. So you're joyful when you're around her. So I just want to say thank you so much, Alicia, for allowing yourself to be in my presence and me being in your presence for us to get to know each other here. This is a beautiful thing. So she just says, the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. And this was written by Helen Keller, and this is somebody that she knows, that she's familiar with, but this was beautiful poetry, absolutely beautiful. This card itself is gorgeous, okay? So I'm gonna open up the inside, and she has on here, you are the best. Thank you so much, Alicia. And look at this. Like, I just can't say it enough. I love her work. I really, really love how creative she is. It's like, it's just so crazy. And look at this. This is just beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous. She says, hello, Joyce. From the bottom of my heart, sis, thank you. You can reuse the, okay. All right, thank you so much, Alicia. This was just gorgeous. And so she said, create your own path. And that, oh my goodness, that is so, so important, that we create our own path. Look at this. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I think I'm supposed to pull this. Wait a minute. All right, I'm trying not to. I think I'm supposed to pull this. Pull this up is what I'm assuming. Yeah. Yeah, you had this sealed really nicely. Wait a minute, y'all. Just bear with me. I was not trying to tear the bag, but everything is stapled. Okay. And these are my earrings, and these are beautiful. And like, Do y'all see these? I hope you can see them. I am going to take these off of here so you can see them. I want to lay them right there. These, now, everybody has a gift that they are really good at. And Alicia is so on point with her gift, because if you look at this, these are really small seed beads, but these are really small. Like, this is just so, the craftsmanship, I can't even say enough. And when I saw these, I was like, you know what? I have to get those for me. So these are gorgeous. And I want to thank you so very much, Alicia. I greatly appreciate it. Yes, these are cute, y'all. So like I said before, I am going to leave all her information okay, the name of her shop is One Peaceful Mind. I believe I'm saying it right. And it's on, she's on Etsy. So I will definitely make sure that I have her link, her Etsy link, down in the description box. So just in case, if you all want and you like these right here, she could make you a pair of these. Okay. So I just wanted to come to everyone and show them my beautiful earrings that I bought for myself for my birthday. And Alicia, once again, I thank you so very much, sis, for all your support, for you supporting me here on the YT. I greatly appreciate it. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that little gray bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. And also, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.